Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I want to talk about inspiration. Inspiration is where you get ideas from something else. I know when I was younger, I watched Star Wars and I was inspired by the ships and the aliens, and that way it led to creativity of making my own monsters and my own spaceships. Even looking at the cover of the Big Mouth Wide Frog, you kind of get inspired by drawing a frog with the big eyes and the funny cartoon mouth. So the other day I was looking at some cartoons, and they were the Ugly Dolls, and I was really inspired by the way he drew those figures. And so what I like to do is I like to kind of look at something like that, and then I put it off to the side, and then I start to draw my own. So let's get started on creating our own figure, kind of based on the Ugly Dolls. So when I looked at the Ugly Dolls on how he draws things, it's a nice smooth shape, something like this. All right. And then his feet are kind of stubby, like that. They'll have kind of stubby feet, and the legs are kind of short, like this. So right now I'm going to go ahead and draw an arm. And the arm just kind of goes up. Looks like it's kind of waving. The hand has no fingers. It goes right back into the body like that. When you're drawing, make sure that you're drawing very lightly. That way you can go back and erase it later on. So right now I just kind of draw the other arm. Put the hand with no fingers and put it right there. And also what I like about the Ugly Dolls is his eyes. His eyes are kind of spaced apart like this. One circle here, one circle there, and then his mouth is like a straight line, just like this. And then when they have the teeth, it's pointed down. So some of them have the sharp teeth like this. And then his pupils, they got some big pupils like this. All right. Now, my drawing is not exactly like the drawings on the Ugly Dolls, and so I'm trying to take some variations of it and kind of try to create my own style. So let's go ahead and create another one. This one is going to be like a U, big U, like that, coming down, stubby feet, big feet, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the arms. So I'm just going to add a little spot where I can add the arms, erase a little part right here. And the hands, no fingers on the hands. And this one will be positioned down like that. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw the eyes. This time my eyes are going to be almost like U's. All right. Put some pupils in there. Maybe they're looking over here. Draw a straight line for its mouth. And this time the teeth are going to be kind of like rectangles, and they're going to be in different shapes. All right. So it's a different style. All right. Let's go ahead, draw another one. So you start to get the feel of it, and it's just very smooth, roundish type lines like this. All right. And the feet are stubby. This one I'm going to have one big eye like that. The pupil. I'm going to put the straight line for the mouth. And maybe I will do a tongue coming out like that. And if you want to, you don't have to create arms. If you want to put some arms in, you can. And let's get a little crazy with this one. And let's do one arm, two arms, three arms. Do the same thing on here. One arm, two arms, three arms. Almost like the Dr. Seuss story. One fish, two fish, three fish, four. All right, or one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, something like that. I love Dr. Seuss books. And here we came up with our own creature, just inspired from the Ugly Dow series. So I really encourage you to take a look at some pictures from Ugly Dows and start to design and create your own. Let's do one more. This one I'm going to do almost like a U, but I'm going to stop right about here, and then I'm going to make, it's almost like rabbit ears. They're going to be a little bit wider here, coming down, and come across over here, coming up again, kind of wider there, coming in, almost like a Shrek, coming down. Have the big old clumpy feet, and then coming down again, big clumpy feet, and coming up. And I'm going to race a part right here for my arms. Coming over here. Do another one. And then I'll go ahead and put my eyes right there. Put the pupils in. Straight line for a mouth. And I like the little sharp teeth on there. There you go. Hey, I hope you had a fun time drawing with me today, and I cannot wait to see some of your creations from the inspiration of the Ugly Dows. And I encourage you also to go out and take a look at other drawings. Like I said, I was very inspired by Star Wars to create my own spaceships and aliens. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Adios.